Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Number 1. What is a nation? Meaning of nation. What is a nation? The attempt to formally define the nation of a political concept dates back to when French philosopher and historian Ernest Renan published his seminal essay titled What is a National? In this essay, Renan defines the national as a sacrifices that one made in the past and of those that one is expected to make in the future. This explains why Renan believes that if we are to imagine the nation as good and worthy of continuous strife, we must realize that it necessary entirely a process of forgetting. This is because foraging the efforts to obtain national unity, either in the name of civic or ethnic nationalism, involve acts of violence and subsequent forgetting based on the initial concept of a national developed by Renan scholars have come up with a more formal definition of a national, namely a community of people formed on the basis of a combination of shared features such as language, history, ethnic culture, and territory. Put deviantly, a national is the collective identity of a group of people understood as defined by language, history, ethnicity, culture, and territory, and for this reason a national is generally more scholars considers it is a fully mobilized or institutionalized ethnic group. Later on, the famous political sciences Benedict Anderson viewed the national as an imagined community. For Anderson, the national is an imagined political community that is culturally imagined as both inherently limited and so foreign. As we can see, there are four key elements, and this definition first, the national is image simple because members of any particular national will never meet most of their fellow members, yet in the mind of each lives the image of their communication. Second, the national is imagined as limited because it has finite yet sometimes lattice boundaries beyond which other national. Later, the national is imagined as so foreign because the concept of the national itself was born in an age when enlightenment and revolution we are destroying the legitimacy of the divinely ordained hierarchy. Nationally realm. Finally, the national of imagined as a community because realize of the actual inequality and exploitation that may prevail within each. The national is confined as deaf horizontal common. Syntax in English. Syntax is the law of language that determines the word order and basic sentence structure within the different language. Each language has a specific syntax that tells the speaker and the listener which parts of the sentence come first to help them make parts of the sentence come first to help them make sense of what's being said. It's the quit lines we use when speaking and writing so that sentences are understandable and coherent. Be wary of confusing syntax or semantic with diction. Thus form the backbone of sentence construction, so let's break these definitions down. Syntax, as just mentioned, is the order of the words in a sentence. Direction is the specific word choice meant to express certain meaning. Semantic is the meaning conveyed by the particular word used. Will be focusing on syntax. For this video in the English language, there is a word order that is set in stone for most types of sentence. Of course, there are always exceptions, but most of the time standard English sentence will follow an SVO word order, subject, verb, object, as in the boy looks outside of the windows. In this example sentence, have the subject the boy, verb looks, and the object outside. This image is of an English grammar syntax tree used by linguistics to plot the structure of sentence. You may not often encounter a syntax tree, but knowing how to draw one is rather useful and will help you understand sentence structure. In the chart, you can see that the sentence is broken down into its parts: verbs, nouns, article, and preposition. After this step, words are grouped together to determine which parts of the sentence are noun phrases, prepositionals, phrases of verb phrases. Fun fact is VO is not the only word order structure. Other language vary word order and even include additional competence in their syntax. In the example given with the syntax tree, the subject is cat, the verb is sat, and the object is made. The second factor is another way in which syntax can be written. This diagram takes the sentence "the dog loved the grill" and breaks down into article D, nouns yang, verbs V, phrase and SP, verb phrase VV, just like the previous example. In the sentence, the subject is dog, the verb is love, and the object is grill. Again, the syntax trees are not to be intimidating, but are used to better understand and structure of a sentence and to reveal each part's purpose within the sentence. An additional use for facts 3 is that whenever a different word order is used for sentence can reveal false purpose within sentence, and can be that whenever a different word order is used for like the example above. For example, if you are hearing a sentence in a foreign language that follow if it is a order or some other variation, creating a syntax tree for that sentence can help you to put the words in SVO order so that you might understand what is beside. Let's have recap. Number 1, syntax is the sentence structure. Number 2, diction is the causing of words to relate and certain meaning. Number 3, semantic, the meaning that is expressed from the word used. Number 4, syntax tree are a net-grabbing tool to chart sentence structure and make sense of word order and how it's functioning in the world of English. Thanks to joining us for this syntax tutorial. If you found this video to be helpful, check out the rest of our channel for additional help. See you next time. Number 3. What is coronavirus? Elizabeth Shocks. For almost a decade, synthesis chased the source of a deadly news virus through China's tallest mountain and most isolated surface. The finally found is here in the beds of Sitoche. The virus in question was a coronavirus that caused the pandemic of severe respiratory syndrome or SARS. In the coronavirus are a group of virus covered in little protein speak that look like a crown or corona in Latin. There are hundreds of known coronavirus. 7 of them infect humans and can cause disease. The coronavirus SARS-CoV can cause disease. SARS-CoV causes SARS, MERS-CoV causes MERS, and SARS-CoV-2 causes the disease COVID-19. Of the 7 human coronavirus, 4 cause called mild, highly contagious infection of the nose and throat. To infect the lungs and cause much more severe illness. The 70 which cause COVID-19 has fewer of each. It spreads easily but can severely impact the lungs when an infected person catch droplets containing the virus spray. The virus can infect a new person when the droplets enter their nose or mouth. Coronavirus transit is in enclosed space where people are close together, and cold weather keeps the circulation from drying the virus to survive for longer between hosts, while UV exposure from sunlight may damage it. The seasonal variants matter for stabilized virus, but because one is yet immune to a new virus, it has so many vertical has that it doesn't need ideal condition to spread. In the body, the protein spike embedded in the host cells and fuse with them, enabling the virus to hijack the host cell machinery to realize its gains. Coronavirus store their genes or RNA. All viruses are either RNA virus or DNA virus. RNA virus tend to be smaller with fewer genes, meaning they infect many hosts and reflect quickly in those hosts. In general, RNA virus don't have a host profiling mechanism, whereas DNA virus do. So when an RNA virus reflects, it's much more likely to have mistake called mutation. Many of these mutations are useless or even harmful, but some make the virus better suited for certain in like a new host species. Epidemic often occur when a virus jumps from animal or to human. This is true of the RNA virus that cause The Ebola, Zika, and SARS epidemics and COVID-19 pandemic once in humans, and the virus still mutates. Usually not enough to create a new virus, but enough to create variants of strains of the original one. Coronavirus have a few key differences from most RNA virus. They some of the large, meaning they have the most chance that creates for opportunity for harmful mutation. To counteract the disease, coronavirus have a unique feature and enzyme that checks for reflection or errors and corrects mistakes. This makes coronavirus much more stable with slower mutation rate than other RNA viruses. While they sound formidable, the slow mutation rate is actually a promising sign when it comes to disarming them after an infection. Our immune system and recognize germs and destroy them more quickly if they inject us again too. So then the make is sick, but mutation can make a virus less to man immune system and therefore for more difficult to fight off. They can also make antiviral drugs and vaccine the less effective because they tailored very specific to a virus. That's why we need a new flu vaccine every year. The influenza virus mutates so quickly that lifespans pop up constantly. The slower mutation rate of coronavirus means of immune system drugs and vaccine might be able to recognize them for longer after injection and therefore protect us better. Still, we don't know how long our body remains immune to different coronavirus. There never been an approved treatment or vaccine for a coronavirus. We have focused on training the ones that cause cold and touch shingles, began developing treatment of SARS and MERS, the epidemics, and then before this treatment complete its clinical trials. As we continue to enlarge on other animal habitats, some scientists say a new coronavirus jumping to humans is inevitable, but if infestable, that's unknown. It doesn't have to be. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.